It is now 5:04. As coronavirus cases continue to climb, the city of New Haven is trying to crack down. Mayor Justin Elicker wants to tighten up restrictions in hopes of slowing the spread of this virus. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Aya Galal is live right outside City Hall this morning. So Aya, we know that these restrictions would impact restaurants, but the mayor says he wants to get ahead of this.
Good morning, Nicole. Yeah, that's right. In fact, New Haven Mayor Justin Elicker wants to go back to phase 1 of restrictions, and that means no indoor dining would be allowed at restaurants. And if that did end up happening, it really would be devastating for a lot of these restaurants. A lot of them have been suffering for quite a while now because of the pandemic, and all of this comes as cases keep climbing in our state. Now, according to the latest numbers released from the governor's office, the positivity rate right now is at 5.16%. We know 12 more people have died in the last day. 777 people are currently hospitalized. That number is up 20 from the previous day.
Passed along my strong recommendation to the governor's team that we would like to move back to phase 1.
New Haven Mayor Justin Elicker wants stricter guidelines in place for the Elm City as COVID cases keep climbing. The city's director of public health says contact tracing efforts show many cases have been linked to restaurants and indoor facilities. And the Elm City is cracking down on businesses that violate coronavirus guidelines. Restaurants will get a warning for violations. After that, if people are spotted without masks, the establishment will get a $100 fine. The fine is up to $500 if the restaurant violates a gathering restriction. All inspections will be random. Fines start later this week. Though the New Haven mayor wants to move back to phase 1, Governor Lamont says he does not plan on having a statewide shutdown. And the uncertainty of what comes next has the restaurant industry on edge.
I understand that the numbers are rising. It's true that we wouldn't be able to function.
And the city of New Haven is currently under a red level alert, and it has been for quite some time now. And anyone who lives in a city or town that's under a red level alert is encouraged to limit their trips outside of their home and avoid gathering with people they don't live with. Live in New Haven this morning, Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.